Welcome to the American Dream. I'm your host and realtor, Cynthia Brown, and today we're shining a spotlight on a truly unique program called Skill Up AZ at Gateway Community College. This program is opening doors for neurodiverse individuals. Let's head over and talk to the program directors. We're here with Dave Zamora, Program Director of Manufacturing at Gateway Community College. Dave, tell us what makes the Skill Up program so special.
Skill Up as part of the apprenticeship program for Arizona Manufacturing CNC Machine Tool Organization. We are an apprenticeship program in CNC manufacturing for the metal removal industry. The program has a uniquely abled academy component, which is designed for students that are on the spectrum.
Tell us about the machinery that the students are learning to operate.
A person enrolled in this program is learning how to run CNC machines in the industry. These are not simulators, they're not trainers, they are actual machines that they will use on the job. They spend 12 weeks, 7 hours a day, 5 days a week learning how to run a machine. Their focus is incredible because of the demands of the technology. That particular audience does really well in this industry where you don't have a lot of socializing. You're pretty much a one-man show while you're running your machine.
We are here with Maribeth All, Executive Director of Skill Up AZ at Gateway Community College. Tell us how students would get started.
Skill Up Arizona is an apprenticeship program, and there's two ways that they can get started. One way is they can go on our website, which is skillupaz.org, and they can fill out an application to become an apprentice. The other program that we have is a pre-apprentice program for our Uniquely Able Academy. The Uniquely Able Academy has scholarships. If they want to get started, they can go to our website at skillupaz.org and apply for the program. Now, the Uniquely Abled is a program within Skill Up Arizona. What they can do is also go to our website and apply. We've had our second cohort, we've had one graduated in April.
Congratulations.
Thank you, thank you. We had 14 people that went through the 12-week program.
Oh, wow.
And out of the 14, we had 9 that actually got jobs with employers. So Skill Up is part of the American Tool and Manufacturing Association, and our members come and they hire our students.
Well, that's a wrap. This is what the American Dream is all about: diversity, opportunity, growth, and success. I'm your host, Cynthia Brown. I'll see you next time on the American Dream.